how you can contact your WhatsApp support when your call is unavailable and you're facing problems. Now before I teach you guys how to do that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us just start. First, open up your WhatsApp, and after you open your WhatsApp, go to your settings on the bottom right. After you do that, just scroll down till you see the help option right here. Tap on help. Now after you do that, you will see this page right here. Tap on help center. Now after you tap on help center, you can see there are different options and different topics that you might require help from. Now here what you need to do is just go to voice and video calls. Now after you go to voice and video calls, tap on any call. If you're facing problem with your voice calls, just go to the voice calls, and there you can see different options that might help you fix your problems. Now just tap on one, and there you can see right here there might be a solution, and if that does not fix it, just scroll down till you find contact support, and just go to contact support and just type in your problem. Now in this case, I'm just gonna write I'm having issues with my WhatsApp calls, and just state the exact issue, and I'm just gonna write it's unavailable and something like that. Now after you write something like that, all you need to do is just tap on next, and you can even send it via email, and you can just create a ticket, and they will just reach back to you and help you fix your problem. That is how you do it, guys. That is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and bye bye.